Healthy weight gain supplements. Gaining weight in a healthy and sustainable way requires a balanced approach that includes proper nutrition, regular exercise, and, when necessary, supplementation. For individuals who struggle to gain weight due to a fast metabolism, high activity levels, or medical conditions, supplements can provide additional support. Here are some effective and healthy weight gain supplements. 1. Protein powders. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, making protein powders an excellent supplement for healthy weight gain. Types: whey protein, casein, soy protein, and plant-based blends. Benefits: promotes muscle development and recovery. Provides a calorie-dense, easily digestible source of nutrients. How to use: mix with milk or a smoothie for added calories. Consume post-workout or between meals. 2. Mass gainers. Mass gainers are calorie-rich supplements designed specifically for weight gain. Contents: high levels of protein, carbohydrates, and sometimes healthy fats. Benefits: provides a quick and convenient way to increase caloric intake. Helps in gaining muscle mass when combined with strength training. How to use: follow the serving instructions and consume between meals or after workouts. 3. Creatine. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound that enhances strength and muscle growth. Benefits: increases muscle water content, making muscles appear fuller. Improves performance in high-intensity exercise, aiding muscle gain. How to use: take 3-5 grams daily, with or without food. 4. Healthy fat supplements. Healthy fats are calorie-dense and essential for overall health and weight gain. Examples: omega-3 fish oil, flaxseed oil, and medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Benefits: supports brain and heart health. Provides a concentrated source of calories. How to use: add to smoothies, salads, or consume as capsules. 5. Carbohydrate supplements. Carbohydrate powders provide an easily digestible source of energy, ideal for post-workout recovery and calorie boosts. Examples: dextrose, maltodextrin, and carbohydrate blends. Benefits: replenishes glycogen stores after exercise, enhances energy levels, and aids in muscle recovery. How to use: mix with protein powder or consume during after workouts. 6. Meal replacement shakes. Meal replacement shakes are nutrient-dense and convenient for increasing calorie intake. Contents: a balanced mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Benefits: provides a balanced meal in liquid form. Ideal for people with limited time or appetite. How to use: replace 1 or 2 meals per day or use as a snack. 7. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. BCAAs are essential amino acids that support muscle recovery and growth. Benefits: reduces muscle breakdown, enhances recovery, and supports muscle protein synthesis. How to use: take before, during, or after workouts. 8. Vitamins and minerals. Micronutrients play a vital role in metabolism and overall health, which are crucial for healthy weight gain. Examples: multivitamins, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. Benefits: supports energy production and immune function. Improves overall nutritional balance. How to use: take daily as per recommended doses. Tips for maximizing results. Combine with strength training. Resistance exercises help convert excess calories into muscle rather than fat. Focus on quality calories. Opt for nutrient-dense foods and supplements to avoid gaining unhealthy weight. Stay consistent. Weight gain takes time. Consistency in diet, exercise, and supplementation is key. Consult a professional. Work with a dietitian or healthcare provider to create a tailored weight gain plan. Conclusion: healthy weight gain requires a strategic approach that prioritizes nutrient-dense foods, regular strength training, and effective supplementation. By incorporating the right supplements into your routine, you can achieve your weight gain goals while supporting overall health and well-being.